What are vision boards, you ask? Well, they're boards of your vision. No, seriously. It's Hello, welcome to Mother New Moon. I'm Mother New Moon, and today we're going to be talking about vision boards. What are vision boards, you ask? Well, they're boards of your vision. No, seriously. It's an awesome tool of manifestation. And I know you heard of manifestation, right? Well, let's talk about that for a little bit. You know, I know you're like me. We all have dreams, goals, desires, things that we hope to accomplish in this realm here. And sometimes you often wonder, how am I going to get there? What can I do? Or maybe you're like, maybe it's too late. I'm too old now, or I got to go back to the drawing board. I have no idea how I'm going to make all of my dreams and desires come true. Well, vision boards, they can help you with that. And I was introduced to the concept of the vision board about 9 years ago now. That's about 8-9 years ago. Someone who I knew who's a lot older, very successful in their life, talked about how when they were younger, they had a mentor who was also very successful and someone they looked up to, and that person told them about writing down or putting together a collage. Let's go with collage. Putting together your collage of all your desires. And you put it together, you store it, you place it somewhere where you're going to see it all the time. And for me, I have it as my screensaver on my laptop. I'm a work from home mom, and I'm always on my laptop. So as soon as I power it up, there's my vision board. Before I became a work from home mom, I was working in corporate America, and I would have my vision board right in my cubicle, right on the wall there for me to see. And I would have coworkers like, oh, what's that? And they're looking at it and I'm trying to explain it to them. But what I did was I pretty much found pictures just from the web or magazine that represented a goal that I had for myself. So say you have a dream home that you would like. You can go and find something that's similar to that dream home, put and place it on your vision board. You have a dream vacation. You can take a picture of that, place it on your vision board. Just make a collage of all your dreams, your hopes, and your desires. And you look at that. You can do some meditation while you're, looking at your vision board. Sorry, my little one is running around. Our little one, Osiris, he was on mine and my husband's vision board years before we even conceived him. But it's just taking all of your dreams, your desires, and your goals, making a collage out of it, placing it somewhere you can look at it every day. And the more you look at it, you are placing it in your subconscious. You can even do this. Some people, they create their vision boards and then they place them somewhere and they don't even look at them for like the next couple months, couple years, and then they revisit and then they realize that I can check this off, and this off. I've done all these things, So it's like, okay, what are your goals 6 months from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Make a vision board out of it. Put your collage together, place it on your wall, make it your screensaver on your laptop or your phone. You're seeing it every day. You're not only placing it in your subconscious, you're motivating yourself to go and work towards your goals. And if you want to get a little witchy with it, Because if you've been following me, honey, I'm all about that. I'm all about the metaphysical. So, sorry, my little one is just, all right, Osiris, what you trying to do, baby? Okay, but you can go ahead and create your vision board during the new moon. Yeah, ooh, moon phases, moon phases. The perfect time to manifest all things anew. You're cleansing, you're re-energizing, you're going back to the drawing boards, you're figuring out your life's journeys. The new moon energy is the perfect time for that. So it's a perfect time to go ahead and put together your vision boards. This is a board of all of your visions, your goals, things that you see for yourself, things that you want to align with yourself, okay? So I hope this video was inspiring. I get excited. I just redid my vision board during the last new moon. So, because a lot of the things on my old vision board have come to pass. I have my husband, I have my beautiful, healthy son. I'm now a freelancer, no longer working for the man, okay? So, but yeah, I hope this video finds you well and inspires you to make your own vision board.